How to wash your hands. Wet hands and apply soap. Make sure to rub your hands palm to palm. Then interlace your fingers, left over right and right over left. And cusp your fingers and rub side to side. Make sure you do that to every hand. Clasp your hand around each thumb for both hands. And then use your fingertips to rub off each dot on each palm. And don't forget to get the dirt from your nails. You do pedicure and ugali. Hey, take care. And then you rinse thoroughly with water. Remember, hand washing is the best way to fight coronavirus. Dry with tissue and then dispose into a bin. This reduces 30% of diarrhea, 20% of colds. And alternatively, air dry after washing if you don't have serviettes. Take care. Fight.